बच्चों इस वीडियो में हम लोग ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं जो प्लानिटरी ऑर्बिट्स के ऊपर है। तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने क्या दिया है, मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम डिस्टेंस ऑफ द कॉमेट। सो लेट अस से कॉमेट इज दिस रेड सर्कल, ओके। So that comet is revolving around the sun, okay. So they have given the distances, maximum and minimum distances. So whenever any planet is making revolutions around sun, or say for example earth, what happens is that they follow the elliptical path, and at certain point of time the distance between that object and the say sun. So in this example we have got this comet revolving around the sun, so distance between the comet and sun is the closest, and that point is called as perihelion, okay. When the distance between the comet and the sun is the smallest, it is called as perihelion, that point. Right opposite, in the opposite direction, that point is called as aphelion, because that point is at the furthest distance. So in such a type of systems, what happens is that angular momentum is conserved. So if, let's say, at this point at perihelion the velocity is v1 and the distance between that comet and the sun is r1, then v1 into r1 is equal to, let us say, at aphelion point the velocity is v2 and distance between that comet and the sun is say r2, then that product v2 into r2 will be equal to v1 into r1. So you should know this particular formula to solve this problem. The angular momentum of the comet is conserved. So in this example they have given these distances. So they have given the maximum and minimum distances. So maximum distance is 1.6 into 10 raised to 12. So I have put it here R2 because that is the maximum distance, right? Minimum distance is 8 into 10 raised to 10. Then velocity is given at the nearest point, that is perihelion point, which is 6 into 10 raised to 4. So they have given these three values and you have to calculate V2. So it's very simple, just put these values in this formula and then we should be able to get the answer. So V2 is equal to V1 into R1 divided by R2. V1 is given as 6 into 10 raised to 4. R1 is given as 8 into 10 raised to 10 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to 12. So we can cancel this 10, 10, and we will cancel 10 raised to 2 from here, is equal to 48 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 16, which will be equal to 3 into 10 raised to 3 meter per second. That will be the velocity, 3 into 10 raised to 3 meter per second.